excited and thrilled to share with you my today's vlog. As you might have already guessed by now, it is regarding makeup. Every single guy has the same complaint that their partners take too long to get ready. So I have planned something interesting for today's vlog. As you might have seen, I have done a little bit of makeup on my face for fun and just to make our guys understand that there are so many things that a girl has to do when she has to get ready. I am going to remove the makeup of half my face and I'm going to keep the other half intact, and I'm going to make my husband do my makeup on the part where I'll be removing my makeup. What he has to do, he has to just see the other half and he has to replicate the same on the other side. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, I would request you to consider subscribing. Before he starts doing my makeup, let me show you what all I have kept for him today. So, come. So that's my original makeup. So Joe, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you and also my friends what all I have kept. So these are my foundations. Then this is a concealer. These are primers. This is for makeup removal. This is my makeup sponge. These are face creams. These two are contour. This is for highlighting. This is a highlighter. This is loose powder. And these are all mascaras and eyeliners and eyebrow pencils and all that, and kajal. And these are for the lips, lipsticks and lip gels. These are the eyeshadow palettes and other highlighters and blushes are here. And there's one more blush at the bottom. These are my makeup brushes. So let's get started.
Okay.
What you are using, you need to tell now. What you have applied?
This is face cream. This is face cream done. Next, primer. I'll use my hand. Excuse me. Come on. Ready? Listen. This cream is done. Primer is done. Now, this one. What is this? Foundation. Wow. Wow. Sir? Wow.
Makeup remove from the body.
Oh, no powder. Yeah. What powder name? Wait. Want to go?
So pretty में बोलते क्या क्या कौन नहीं लगा बनी? अच्छा your wish, whatever you are comfortable in. Basically, you have applied 3 things with the same sponge.
Oh, two.
Primer also, then foundation.
Sorry, what is it?
Now the face powder. You have used the same sponge for 3 things as of now.
Oh, so?
Nothing. I'm just
Everything is
for your information.
Everything. I can't remember now.
But you have already applied face powder.
It's okay. I can remember now.
What is this?
Done. Oh wow. This is done. This is.
What is a blusher?
Blusher on your face. This is not eyeshadow. This is blusher.
For the entire face?
No. Only for some specific parts.
Only for specific parts. Which all parts?
I don't know. Let's see. Mahaiva, please.
I'm serious.
Oh shit. Wow! Awesome! Awesome! So, wow! Cool! Also, this is one point. Oh, this is concealer. Yeah. Hey! Man, this is what you put Done. Wait. Come
Impressed. এটা তুমি অলরেডি ৰঙা আঁকিছে So my face is looking more chiseled now.
Yeah, almost like, I don't know. This is eyebrow pencil. Cool, man. Cool.
So what next?
Next is eyeshadow. Midnight Sparkle. Just once again. I'm ready. Oh my god, this is so dark here. What? Shit. 8%.
আপনি জানে কাকি আছে মই বৰ্ষা মোবাইলটো Work in progress. Again this one.
Yeah. I have to correct something. Just one second.
Have you ever seen anybody who has done 2 different makeups in 2 sides?
No, I'm
of
not
the-
liking the left side one, that's right.
Oh.
This is much better. That's
Okay.
This is much better. This one.
Actually, one day I am thinking you can do makeup of my entire face because you are so confident now that you are saying this is looking better than my makeup.
Yo! Just one sec. Yeah, man, yeah. I can do it. Let's...
So, what is your next
Oh
step?
my god, this is great.
Wait, it will fall off.
Oh shit, sorry.
What, am I supposed to close my eyes?
No.
Open it, keep it open.
Yeah. Open it, yeah.
So, I have kept it open.
Oh man. I can do it. This is difficult here. Horrible.
Eraser you want?
Really tough now. This is like, you have to do it yourself like that. What is this here? Close your eyes.
One more time, I need to check it out.
Look, enjoy. Now, what else is left? Lipstick.
You love this one, so you are going to put that.
So, what? It's red color. Where is the red color? Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one. It's easy then. This red color. No, I don't know how to put it.
I can't do
Huh? At least open your mouth. Oh my god, this thing you have to do it. This thing you have to done. This is horrible. Amazing, man. Amazing. I'm proud of that. Oh, sorry. What to do?
What? So, Joe, this is your final look for this part.
This is the one. Here was the highlighter.
Hi, this is the highlighter, and this is the highlighter, and this is the brush.
I forgot. This is the highlighter. I can't remember now.
That's okay. If you feel this is good, then
This is good only. This one.
this is not highlighter, okay? This is
I know
contour.
my contour only. I think this thing is a bit more sharper. Yeah. That's it.
After putting blush, you are putting contour again.
Ah, yeah, that is specialty.
Oh,
Now, what do you want?
I don't want anything.
Highlighter. I'll use the same brush. This is like what? This is the one? Huh?
Huh? Okay, guys, this is the highlighter, according to Joe.
That means it's not. This is the highlighter.
Oh, okay, blue highlighter.
What is highlighter?
That's okay. No pressure on you. This is highlighter.
This is a highlighter. Cheeky blush. Cheeky means cheeky.
So, this is the highlighter that he is going to apply now.
Who is highlighter? Who is the highlighter?
Oh, no pressure. If you feel you have already applied highlighter, then
I don't know which one is highlighter.
that's okay. You think this is good? If I am looking.
Anyways, this is good.
So
This
then
is much better than the...
let's end this.
Yeah,
Mr. Artist, so this is your final thing, right?
yes.
So are you satisfied?
More than satisfied.
More than satisfied. Okay. So I am yet to see myself. Though there is a mirror, I am yet to check out. So if you like this video and if you feel कि he has really done a good job and you appreciate his efforts, and so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. He has done the makeup of this side. I'm not able to stop laughing because he's saying he has done a much better job this side. Maybe if you also feel the same, then do let me know in comment section. Until the next video, bye bye.
Bye.